Okay, this is where we're at with the lift fabrication. That's what we got. That is going to be the initial 10 inches of lift. Top suspension lift. We're going to have more in the suspension on the bottom side, but that's it. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side, and then we're going to brace it all in. Same thing. Hangers on that side. We just got to put in the gussets there and the cross member.
What? Black truck. What's up, Bean? Where you going, man?
Show everybody on YouTube what you contribute. Come on.
No.
Do it.
No.
For sure. Come on.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Rear section of the frame modification is complete. And this is what we got. Not getting the best shots here because, of course, I got so much stuff laying around. You can barely move in here. Added cross members for support, cross braces, a couple of them, extra cross members in up there, keep everything right where it belongs. So that's where we're at. Again, this is the frame modification for the MH5 truck, and the rear section is complete. Now it's time to get on the front. Here's our 6-inch stainless steel body lift. It's going to be for the bed there. Not bad.